YouthCOR, it's Miss Courtney. I actually went on a walk today for self-care, and I wasn't planning on talking to you all, but remember what I told you about. When we're on our walks, we can be noticing things in our environment, we can be trying to engage our five senses. Well, I noticed something on my walk and I want to share it with you. There are snails, or slugs it looks like, and I just happened to look down and I noticed that it wasn't really a rock shape that I was seeing, and I looked a little bit closer and realized it was a snail, or we're going to call it a snail. If either any of you find out what it's really called, let me know. And then I looked closer and noticed that there were two, and I don't think I've ever seen these in daylight, and I definitely haven't seen the kind that look like this. I've seen slugs for sure, but definitely not snails. And this is a very revolutionary discovery for me. The only time I've seen insects like this is, like when you go to the pet store or you go to the aquarium or the zoo and you'll see them. But this is really, really cool, and I just had to share it with you.